Ebusuafo me mo bibia kwaba de ba jinsi N page so medin e de adwoa searching na radio bi e wo UK a wo frɛ no to me radio na omo ye political talk show bi e wo so na omo de ensem bi atodwa omo nsem a omo ekin na ne se oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama esese watch no na embra eni no edi na de nti omo eka se na ene se na no abeya yato e wo Ghana hanumi Madam Jane Mensa ebe declare winner no say His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufu Addo and wasan so maintain in the seat no NDC force omo entiase because abano omo awiem dia ma MPP fo nti omo de omo entiase na adofo ye beka ya omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama eba out ebe ka say ono onje nkuku no entu na onfre Nana Addo so man congratulations bia send your manfo bi ekeka se wafa fon afre Nana Addo so manitiri kwa no onye bibia sa na emome no declaration na ba out no omo enjintum omo enwi bia enti no omo echitaifo no omo followers no omo betumi atiesi abonten aye demonstration akese aka kire yi si ne se aba no omo awiem dia ma MPP fo nti omo fa NDC fo omo aba emomo a ehon sem be ye bebre e wo Ghana hanom na didima na NDC fo no omo de asem no e court na asem no ekodu court a NDC fo e kire se di omo kan se omo enwini no omo boa enti court no enhwe no omo ka asem no yie emfa ema omo na asomdwe embra Ghana na no na radio ya ewo UK or friend to me radio HSA or Manpeni Dada John Dramani Mahama. In the first place, what Dada Ghana for? The Ghana for a dream Diabro. Amana Ghana I say Sikapudu Sikaka sepa. So just Bambo de elbow a young woman demonstration. She said Sikamu Westy a day a yadia. Or Manpeni Dada John Dramani Mahama and so much because I didn't see. And the one kasa moye aware say muni evidence biasa abano mu wiem na still mo kasa abano omo awiem na mo ama na demonstration na akese akoso wo Ghana hano na enyama asay ansa na mo be kasa dey de mo kan no mo boa o Mampani Dada John Dramani Mahama e your mind bisu a by this time komo ache no na omo nche no na chese mbra eni no endi na do fienti ensema omo de etudwa
government papa Omo nebe appointed speaker ne the majority leader in parliament and all that. And this same John Dramani Mahama, they say Ghana for there I saw for the yadrini diagro politicians also yadrini a diagro to say yewen krankrebi. You see, this same John Dramani Mahama will be catching and call for say wa winning election no. Now nobody obetumi make atem say wo change our resource your weapon and what be starting also person making it clear say won't congratulate anybody and no attempt should be made to subvert the will of the people. This is John Dramani Mahama, and this is the same person who is encouraging his people say woman sense bonten na omunya demonstration because we are winning election. A man kofo tisia bontene, including the members of parliament of NDC party. And kofo umunim nyansa umunim de. John Mahama catch say wono wa win election according to niema ne kura no a. Na ye wono nko John Mahama ne yesi odun ketia ne nanimu no. Wa win election no. Enu nti ne nkofo enjubility. Ne nkofo enja demonstration. Members of parliament enyansafo mu enyansafo ensusu etu anamon ekodi anyambra sam de mrashi omu nsada ma police ekwan ya omu asiso omu faso no mu sese no ewura mu se omu pese omu petition and I said let be ekokoma electoral commission mami G Mensa. This same John Dramani Mahama enne me no kase John Dramani Mahama say enipa no so ba win election no entine nkofo jubility wani esedun ketia enipa na wawe so wawe ni election no entine nkofo ntisi abontin omunye demonstration because Jemensa pese owie ma akufo ado enipa na wose wawe ni parliamentary seat John Mahama so ma we ni 140 parliamentary seat esedun ketia so ma we ni 141 parliamentary seat. The contradiction between the two leaders, General Secretary and the flag bearer of the party, John Dramani Mahama. And now, this same John Mahama were pushing in call for so moon grabontin and no titi a soldier for my mocha, a soldier for boka, a protected demonstrators, a protected woman properties. When we near maybe assess millions of pounds, millions of dollars, millions of cedis. I did protect your brass momudie. Nina ni se John Mahama catch room say wo no John Mahama no wa win election no. And that me no wo ka say papa ye asa Supreme Court to say the wo ka so wa win election no. The wo ka say ne nkofo nya demonstration say niema wo asem bia wo ka no satam bia no na enye no kre na ya tro. Jesus Christ. You see, Ghana, we are in trouble because when you have people omutumi di adwin di agro omutumi do omani di agro, you see John Mahama ye baby a nka osen ke arrest no damage wa cause Ghana, financial loss wa cause Ghana because of the GDA our ma Ghana for titru NDC supported GNUD yes wa winning 2020 general election presidential no wa winning enti ne nkofo mo se ne ahurusie ne de ombeye bia no na ene wo papa we wunyina so na okuta nobody knows ene wo say wako Supreme Court koka che Supreme Court to say asem na wo ka kire watiefuo no it was misleading omo. You lied to them because almost so no man wo madwene say omo be push you na obota ye ni wunyina so a wo eches wa we the election fa kire omunti no omusu di wachi kwayi dom ye on say me catch the Ghana for say catch NDC for say for some time now de bia me tena say me catch them say mon nkofo ne de madwene e di agro because omu fi say sebio men ka say munum nyansa wo o madwene mo say madwene no muntumi ntenke de muli de ye wouldn't be the best thing I may advise from someone. When you demonstration against him, say we free Kubianaso because we deceive him. Say me MPP NDC supporter, and this is what I did. May NDC and can may be as a John Dramani Mahama has no integrity to lead this party again because he lied to us, he's misled us, he's mislead us. Look. That's why I put this simple thing there. Said John Dramani Mahama misled the NDC supporters and the Ghanaian in his press briefing that he has won the 2020 presidential and parliamentary election and his party had 140 seats in parliament to form the government or the majority. This is John Dramani Mahama. Voice na me bomman who here. And this is the same atade nation. That's why I use the same atade and in the same microphone now. What they certain call for, what they try for so winning election without any evidence, without any grounds whatsoever. No. This atade and wash. It is a NDC supporter. Now me come ask him catch say, don't follow John Dramani Mahama. One cannot cry. Where you power drunk. Why power drunker? A power and a John Dramani Mahama. John Dramani Mahama, yeah, na adwene say wo ba be ye bibi papa bia de abo Ghana. Na president ya to aba etia wa. Wonus wo lose election now. Wo free ya to etia wo. Utumi ko page anya hini box side. E mu 65% de ma wo brother say wanye. Ya to aba etia wo ko woni bibia ye bim. Wako appoint no sa tam na e do appoint sa Domelevo sa friend is saying oh sa man ya na oye we say me ka me chro baby ano wa appoint sa papa yi wa appoint no sa tam na Mahama no lose election enti you see what trust so be ye bibia say obeboa ama eniema ya dendenden ma Akufo-Addo government. Enti John Mahama, what lose election? What lose what they say presidential election? And ka wodi efra watie fon kwa na ka kire say look, election no sa me ne mu kasa mu. Minim de me menya. Minim results we kuta ye. Enti montena se na monto mo bo ase. Kopim say ye be make sure say the because somebody why ye o man panyini pen. What you say? Somebody why o man panyini pen. Awo emra yakasa emra. It resides upon you as a president. Now, utumi ekojina baby kan semwa enokure enim. Ema watiefo nso so etio. Na omu di wechi ekoye niema sem ne etutrasem. Na de ya me ya na ema homete ne say after say wono ankasa admit say wan win election no. Na according to wono ankasa so people okuta ye nimu no. Ekufo adon so anwene. Nti wono between wani Akufo Addo no obie ne ho a wotumi nya 50 plus 1 vote nti ebetumi ama na ye president upon say wa admit sa de ni wie no wansam kan kire na tiefo say mesrɛ mo fa nkyeme say me misleading mo say ma win election no so na me win nti mesrɛ mo say mo ye machi tafui mo fa nkyeme. John Dramani Mahama need to apologize to NDC supporters and the entire Ghanaians. So he has misled us. He has misled us. He has lied to us. Ghanaian should force this man, especially the NDC supporters and the NDC executive, should tell Mahama, say, look, your leadership style is so poor, it's so bad. This honesty is too much. So